Hey folks, did you thought about to create your own token? I know in internet you can find many different guides, tutorials how to create your own token, but do you really need it? I'm not sure. Today we will try to talk about the reason why someone maybe need to create his own token. And also I will give you some ideas and I will tell you about why people create it and what is alternate for create your own token today in this video. Simply put, what does it mean token? Simply put, it's just some unit or the secure key, depends of context. But in our video today we will talk about token which you can create in blockchain. And you know you can create token in many different blockchains, but do you really need it? To understand it, we need to talk about for what tokens may be used. To understand, do you need it or no? We need to answer one question. What are tokens used for? And I'm not sure it's your case. The most often case when you need your own token is when you will try to use it like some currency. So really you can sell some service, and for buy this service you say, okay, you can buy it, but you need to use only my tokens, and others have no choice. If they want your service, they will buy your tokens. But this is just one type, how you can use it as a money replacement, but generally you use tokens instead of money. Also, the second type, you can use token as access. Yeah, for example, you don't need to use tokens only like money. You can create just few tokens and they will allow someone to do something. Or it will like some pass key or something to allow someone to do something. Or you can say just so the holders of these tokens, they have some membership or they are some group of someone, many different things. So it's just like access. And third option, it's I think for most of people who want to create token, they hope that their choice is fun. But for me, I think it's, to be honest, if they will honest in front of themselves, they will say that the real reason is this third reason, and this reason is token for speculation. What do I mean? So everyone told, I will create token, it will become popular and I will get money. How you will get money, do you know? So generally if you just have your own token or some tokens and you control it, how you will get money from that? The answer is only one. You will sell all your tokens. No any idea behind it, just some tokens. So you can hire some people which will promote your token, which will create some ecosystem, but it's not real ecosystem because you don't want to sell some services, you don't want to sell some goods, digital goods, and really what you want, just money. And you know, the most common analogy, just write some paper, draw there, it will be your bills, and just sell it. How many people will buy it? Generally it's same, tokens is same, it's just in blockchain, that's it, nothing behind it, just papers. That's why if you will try to watch in blockchain, you will find many dead and useless tokens. But you think, of course, no, my will not be useful, my token not garbage. Yeah, depends what you have behind this. Okay, if you don't want it for speculation, what really? First option, or like money replacement, or for some access. Okay, about second one, we will talk a little bit later. Now I want to talk about first. Did you know that there exist stable coins? And you know it's not volatile. If you will create your own token, it's very possible it will be volatile. So if behind it no anything, it will be volatile. So why do you think it's better to use your token instead of some USDT or USDC. But I think you instantly start feel yourself already a little bit boring. Oh, to use stable for my project? It's so dirty, it's so not interesting. Why I will do it? And if you think a little bit more, the reason why you want to talk like that, it's that if you will use stable coins, there are no any gambling parts. And if you will see more my videos, you will understand what I think about it. I think that the crypto world, the heart of crypto world right now, not something useful, not something digital, not something futuristic or some optimistic or digitalization. No. The biggest reason why people in crypto gambling beyond money and save their time and reputation. These resources you need to create your own token. If you think it's investment, it's not like that. So we understood that the main part of that is gambling. But if you still think to create your own token, you need to pay money for specialists who will create some smart contract for you. The most guys who describe you in different guides and instructions in internet how to create your own token, it's not token which you can use for something. It's only for speculation, because behind it, behind the systems which they try to advertise or they use for create tokens, behind these tokens nothing, just nothing. Yeah, if you don't want to spend money for pay some people who already know what to do, you need to spend your own time, and it's not so easy to do that by yourself. You need to understand how to write smart contracts, you need to know which platforms to use, how to advertise. It's not so easy if you will try to do it by yourself, but try or not, it's your choice. And other thing is reputation. So if something happens with your tokens, what can it be? There exists one problem. So for example, someone will buy your tokens, about 51%, and will try to sell it, all of them. And it's very possible that the price for your token will be very, very low. What you will do with it? But most of people will say, oh, you did it because you control it. And you did nothing. Or for example, it was interesting for you, you make some proportion, you talk with your community members, and one day you thought, I don't want to do that. Maybe I just will do nothing. But other people already bought it, so you need to think accurate what to do if you want to exit from that. Because generally, just remember, it's just some amount of tokens, and behind it there should be something very interesting, some big system for be interesting for you, because it will be boring. If it will be boring, you will just say, no, I don't want everything what I promise, I don't want to do. So many times think about it before doing this. So your reputation isn't important for you, and will it be affected or not? Think about it twice. Personally, I think the real potential of crypto is somewhere in applications or software. That's why I'm developing some billing system. But you can say, oh guy, you develop your own billing system in crypto, maybe you will use your own tokens. But the answer is yes and no. Yes, I will create it, billing system, and no, I will not use some tokens. But never say never. Maybe for some things, for example for access, which I will tell a little bit later, I will create few of them. But anyway, for payment I can use already exists currency, USDT, USDC and other stable coins. I don't need my own token for that, because it's not stable, and to count every time to recount what is price right now, if you will transfer it in USD and back, not so interesting. So it's more easier. Just use some stable coins, and that's what I try to create. You can watch on my website, you can find it in description. Also, you can follow me in my social networks, just watch it in video description. And about access, as I told, I will talk about it later, and it's now. So the biggest, how to say, the most popular example of that is NFT, non-fungible token. And you already know, or you don't know, but some owners of NFT, they have some closed community or open community, they have some personal parties, so it depends what you can create, but really you can use it like access. Also, if you want to create NFT or something like that, like token for access, and you think how the price for that is formed, to which stages need to make this price higher, you can watch in another my video how NFT price formed. So right now, I think you know the answer. Do you really need a token or no? My point of view, the most of cases, which you can say yes I need, it's not like that. Just use stable coins if you need, or if you want to speculate or cheat community, don't forget about your reputation and its resource. But this is only first part of video. Of course, I will create a tutorial how to really create your own crypto token. Maybe cryptocurrency, it's harder for cryptocurrency, you need your own blockchain or something like that. But if you still think you don't understand anything, guy, I will just create my own token. I will make very big ad company and I will get money. In such case, watch this my video. There I was talking about who really makes money in crypto. These guys, they know how to make it. And they have it more stable than you can allow yourself. Just watch it. Also, you can find in the description of video link to my Telegram channel. There I post different articles, parts of my presentation, announcements of my videos. You're welcome. Also, if you think that I forgot some option where you can need to create your own token, feel free to comment. The real reason why I'm still in crypto, that's because I want to find some use case to be there. Okay. Before I finish my videos, like, I hope this video was useful for you, but I don't care. I just want to share with you my opinion. You can agree, you can disagree, you can write hate speech in comments. We'll see what I will do with you. Maybe I will find you your digital copy and we'll make fight there. We'll see. In the description of video you can find ways how you can donate me. Maybe I will create my own token using your money. We'll see. Bye.